Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. So first thing, you open the MetaTrader 5 and as you can see from here, you cannot withdraw directly to your bank account. For that we need a third party which is XNS. So in order to use XNS, you need to link it to MetaTrader 5 by creating an account and joining this server using the login and the password that they will give you. And from then you can click on withdraw or deposit from the MetaTrader app, or you can simply go to XNS and select deposit, and after that you choose the MetaTrader 5 and deposit the money as USD, and from that you can go to withdraw and send it to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.